Hi, I'm Rachel, and this video is going to show how to do a back carry in your soft structured carrier. I'm going to show a method that's really quick and easy to learn if you're a beginner at putting your baby on your back. You're going to start by holding up your carrier, and you're going to put the waistband on your hip. I'm going to let this panel fall down. I'm going to fold the waistband toward me, place it on my hip. I'm going to loosen it slightly. Take my buckle through the safety elastic and buckle it on at my waist. I have it slightly loose so that I can slide it, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to put baby on my hip, and then I'm going to slide the carrier around to the back. I want it loose enough so that it can slide, but not so loose that it's going to push down. So I'm going to tighten it slightly. I can still slide it, but it's not going to slide down. Okay. The next thing I need to do to prepare my carrier is to loosen my straps. I'm going to loosen them a lot, nearly all the way out, especially this back one, the one toward the hip I'm going to be taking baby. I'm going to loosen that one a lot. Okay. Now I'm going to pick up my baby. You ready? Didn't call me back? I'm going to pick up my baby, and I'm going to hold him on my hip like I'm going to carry him on the hip. Take my hand underneath the panel and smooth it up over his back. I'm going to take his arms underneath both straps. So one arm under this strap, the other arm under this strap. And the strap that's by my arm, I'm going to hold it for a moment with my arm. Then I'm going to reach behind me and take my hand to grab it. And I'm actually going to take my arm into this strap. If it's loose enough, I'm going to get it all the way over my shoulder. If it's not loose enough, I can hold it in the crook of my arm with my elbow. Now, my baby's on my left hip. My right arm has the strap on the elbow or on the shoulder already. Now my right hand is going to hold this front strap right underneath of baby's arm. So now baby's totally secure. He's got both straps under his arms. I have one strap on this shoulder, or you can hold it in your elbow, and the other strap I'm holding securely with my right hand. Now I'm going to lift my left hand up and over his head like I'm going to do a swimming stroke, and I'm going to take my hand to his little bottom, and continuing to hold this strap, I'm going to slide him. As I slide him, I'm going to keep holding the strap. I'm actually going to hold both straps with one hand now to keep them snug. Scooch. Scooching him around so he's centered in the back. When I feel like he's centered, I'm going to take my arm into this strap. Now I have both straps on my shoulders. I'm going to lift up, holding my straps nice and tight. Buckle my chest clip. And now I'm going to take my hands to the straps here and tighten them. Pulling down and back. One side might need to tighten a bit more. Alright. Now I have him securely on my back. I can do a little bit of adjusting. First I want to make sure that my chest clip is in a comfortable position. I like it just below my collarbone, but you can slide it up or down until you find the comfortable spot for you. I'm going to make sure my waistband is nice and snug. So I'm going to take a moment and just kind of give that a little pull since I had it a little bit loose to start. And I'm pretty set. I'm going to check and make sure these two sides are both evenly tightened. Now we have quick and easy back carry. To get down, you can reverse the process. So I will loosen these, bending over slightly, loosen it a lot. I'm going to unclip my chest clip, holding both straps securely. I'm remembering that I had baby coming under my left arm, so I'm going to take this left strap off, bring it under my arm. Now with both hands, I'm going to hold these two straps together. I'm going to loosen my waistband just a tiny bit so it will slide. Take my arm back and slide him back over toward the crook of my arm. When I have him where I can almost reach him, still holding these two straps securely, I'm going to lift my arm up and over him and bring him back to my hip. Now I can take off this strap and we're done. Alright, so that's a quick and easy way to put your baby on your back with your buckle carrier. Thanks. Bye.